Good morning, students. Today's topic is the continuation of chapter number 5, Industries from Geography. And today I will discuss about the cotton textile industry of India and in place of Ahmedabad where this industry is located, and after that Osaka. Alright. So students, as I told you in my previous explanation about the different kind of industries in all over the India and world, in which iron and steel industry having a first place, and after that second one was cotton textile industry, which is flourished from the age of 1880s to till now. So cotton textile industry is very important industry because it provide us different kind of thread, fabric and cotton based product which are used by people at a very large scale in all over the world. Okay. So students, as you know very well that the cotton textile industry, which can be divided on the basis of raw material, and these are fibers used in them. So students, fibers can be two types. Number one is natural fiber and man-made fiber. So natural fiber we are obtaining from wool, silk, cotton, linen and jute, and man-made fiber we are obtaining from artificial nylon, polyester, acrylic and rayon. So students, till the Industrial Revolution, cotton cloth was made using hand spinning techniques on the wheels and looms. But in the 18th century, power looms and invention of the power looms facilitated the development of cotton textile industry. So first of all, cotton textile industry started to spread in Britain and other parts of the world. And that time, during the 18th century also, India, China, Japan and USA was the important producers of cotton textiles. And before the British rule, Indian hand spun and woven cloth very popular worldwide for their quality and design, but the production of hand woven cotton textile was very expensive and time consuming because machineries made a number of products in an hour, but cotton or woven cotton textile takes too much time for its weaving and consuming also too much time. But hand woven cloths which is made by cotton, they are very expensive, and that time also they were very expensive, but that hand woven cloths were liked by the people, especially who were belonging to the rich class and aristocratic family. Alright. So however, the traditional cotton textile industry could not face any competition from the new textile mills of West, which produced cheap and good quality fabrics through mechanized industrial machines or units. But in India, as I told you above that, mostly people made hand woven cloths which were very popular in all over the world and were in great demand. And finally, in 1854 in India, the first successful mechanized textile mill was established in Mumbai. And students, as you know very well that in my previous class, as I told you about the good location of the industrial units or for the best location for the settlements or the establishment of any industry in India, as well as like location of cotton textile industry in India, in which mostly this cotton industries started to flourish in the states of Maharashtra and Gujarat because of favorable humid climate. And today, even humidity can be created artificially by humans, and raw cotton is a pure and not weight losing raw. Alright, it means earlier best location for the settlement of cotton industry was Maharashtra, Gujarat, but due to the humid climate, because cotton thread required humidity in its thread, otherwise dry climate will responsible for the loose and weak thread. So students, whatever materials used by the cotton industry, that is spread to other parts of the country also, such as Coimbatore, Kanpur, Chennai, Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Kolkata, Ludhiana, Puducherry and Panipat. But students, after the above description, I am going to discuss with you cotton industries which were settled and established in Ahmedabad. So students, here one question will arise here, that why Ahmedabad is given for cotton textile industry. So my dear students, Ahmedabad is located in Gujarat on the banks of the Sabarmati river, and the first mill was established in Ahmedabad in 1859 after Mumbai. Okay? And it soon became the second largest textile city of India after Mumbai, and was therefore often referred to as the Manchester of India. It means due to its great production after the Mumbai cotton textile industry, Ahmedabad started to popular in that era. That's why due to the great production of cotton textiles, Ahmedabad known as Manchester of India, because Manchester was located in Britain and the first mechanical machines started to produce cotton in Manchester, and Manchester produced too much cheap cotton cloths that time. Okay, that's why Manchester is famous in all over the world for its cheap cotton production. and fast cotton production. That's why Ahmedabad is also referred and called Manchester of India. Okay. After that, next point is why textile industry developed in Ahmedabad. So students, Ahmedabad is situated very close to cotton growing area, which ensures easy availability of all the raw